Hi everyone, welcome back to Hari's Educational Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about an interesting story that is My Financial Career, which is written by Stephen Leacock. It's a humorous story. The readers may get laugh while reading it. Before going to know about the story, let us have a brief look about Stephen Leacock. He was born on 30th March 1944. He is a Canadian teacher, writer, and humorist. He began writing fiction, humor, and short reports. His stories, which were published in magazines in Canada and USA, he became popular around the world. He is known for his humor along with criticism of people's follies. My Financial Career. Stephen Leacock is a Canadian writer. In his essay, My Financial Career, he humorously presents a person's first experience in the bank. He amuses the readers. He depicts the narrator's tension and stupid actions inside the bank. There we can get more fun through his words and actions. Here the story begins. The narrator's salary has been increased by $50 every month and he wants to deposit the extra money in the bank. When the narrator enters the bank, he felt nervous by observing the staff and clerks. He does not understand what he is doing and talking. He meets a clerk and asks him about the manager that he wants to meet manager alone. The story is about a person's first experience in the bank when he enters into the bank to open an account for his savings. The person don't know whom to meet, first asks the clerk and finally met the manager and asked him to talk alone. Manager thought that he was a detective. The narrator says that he is not at all a detective. He said to the manager that he wants to deposit all the money in his bank. The manager thinks that he is a millionaire. The narrator says that he has planned to deposit $56 a month in the bank. The manager got irritated by his words and he becomes very impatient. Manager calls the clerk and tells him to open an account for the narrator. With difficulty, he deposits $56 in the bank. After that, he wants to withdraw $6 for his present use. He takes the check and writes $56 instead of $6. The clerk is surprised and asks if he really wants to withdraw the money he has deposited. Narrator wants to hide his mistake. Actually, here the narrator did a mistake, that is, instead of writing $6, he wrote $56. He adds that someone has insulted him in that bank, so he has decided to take all his money back. He takes back the money and goes out of the bank. Everyone in the bank laughs at him. Thank you for watching this video. Hope all of you understood about the story My Financial Career. Please do subscribe my channel.